Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be installing HIDs in my car, in my headlights. The headlights I have right now are LEDs, but they really suck. They don't light up anything. It might be because I don't have anything else, it's just the bulbs. But they were like $15. They suck. I'm just going to come to the conclusion that they suck. It's an HID conversion kit from HID Nation. So, what it comes with, or what I got, was, I got the bulbs, the xenon bulbs with the just regular halogen high beam. I got the 4,300 Kelvin temperature, a sticker. I got it with the relay, and I got it with the 55 watt ballast. The relay, bulbs, ballast. Oh, I also got the 1-year warranty, which is $5. It's great. So, I looked up how to install these online. I'm not saying it's difficult, but I don't know wiring, so I'm gonna have some fun. I have the right side bulb in and all wired up. So, yeah, it's in, as you can see. This little high beam right here. I'm gonna move you a little closer so you can kind of see what I'm doing. That was a little easier than I thought, but I also broke something, so it made it a little bit harder. I think these are going to turn out really good because just having them on in the garage, it looks like a lot different. That's how bright they look, which is like really bright. Just saying. And then from the front, they look like that. I think they're gonna do really good. My other headlights, I couldn't see like 20 yards in front of me. Maybe 10 yards even, I don't even know. It was bad, okay? The LEDs, don't buy cheap LEDs. Because I did. This is what my new headlights look like. I think they're definitely a lot brighter, and I really like it. But I do need to aim them, I believe, so I need to put them up a little bit more. So after this, I think I have brakes for the car. So if you want to see brakes, stay tuned. Goodbye.